Ukutheni ukuthi ngizenze Sihlale iqalekiso zakho uqale ngisho kwingane ngoba ngidlala ngami ungizongisulela qala sizothandwa yeah awudani
Luna uzamela ngasona
Don't move that Tommy. Don't move that anymore.
Baby, I know. I'm putting to baby. I was just stupid to see it, baby.
Sometimes it feels like when you're talking around there, like she's just so much more important to you than
It's hard for ever making you feel like that, baby. Pella, when you're the most important people to me.
Baby, I'm not this one. Think what they want. Poverty, and then I let my insecurities drive us apart.
No, to blame
Jaya, ngiyangazi ukuthi uthini. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Cishe ngakumoshela. Ukuthi it was hard for me to see you moving on. Ngaphandle kwami. Ukuthi I thought I needed to drag you down. Bengisaba ukuthi I was going to lose you. And that's exactly what ended up happening.
Yeah, no problem.
And then when come in peace. Yes. Ngikukhuluma nokanana.
Gogo uthanda ukuthetha.